Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable Hyper-V on your Windows machine. Hyper-V is an inbuilt virtualization that helps you to run other virtual machines with different operating systems. To do that, go to your search and type in turn on 10 Windows. So that's 10 Windows feature on and off. So just click on it. And then when you have your Windows feature window open, you have to look for Hyper-V. So you select your Hyper-V, expand it, and make sure you select both, you check both the Hyper-V management tool and then also the Hyper-V platform. Here it's been grayed out, so I'll expand here and then I'll select the Hyper-V services and then click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will be searching for the files to install. It's applying changes, and then you have to restart your PC. So click on restart. After your PC restarts, put in your password and then you log in. Once you log in, what you need to do is to go to the search and type Hyper-V. So type Hyper. So you look for the Hyper-V manager and then you click it. Once you click your Hyper-V manager, it's supposed to load. So this is the interface of the Hyper-V manager, and this is where you can create, configure, and manage your virtual machines. Okay, so this is the name of your computer. Be able to create, manage all your virtual machines, and in the upcoming video, I will show you how to set up virtual machine and run different operating system using Hyper-V. So stay tuned. And if this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.